Hello everyone, welcome to ALSONTECH. Today we want to show you our 3D vision guidance for the car tire assembly line. By positioning the current position of the launch, the 3D camera gets the offset compensation calculated by the robot carrying the tire to adjust the assembly line posture, and currently install the tire to the flange. The ALSONTECH 3D vision system ATS1000-06AS1 will giving full play to the excellent anti-reflective ability of the laser 3D camera. It achieves fast and current positioning with extremely high imaging accuracy and scanning speed. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and welcome to continuous following ALSONTECH 3D vision system, which will further enhance the flexibility of production lines.